Welcome to Quizzes and Trivia channel. Test your social media knowledge with these 50 true or false questions. Ready? Let's go! Facebook was originally called the Facebook. Correct, it was called the Facebook. Instagram was launched in 2010. Yes, that's right. Instagram was launched in 2010. Twitter has a character limit of 280 characters per tweet. Correct. Twitter's character limit is 280 characters. LinkedIn is primarily a platform for sharing short videos. False. LinkedIn is for professional networking. Snapchat allows users to send disappearing messages and photos. Yes, that's correct. Snapchat's messages disappear. TikTok was originally launched as Douyin in China. True. It was first launched as Douyin in China. Pinterest is primarily used for professional networking. False. Pinterest is used for sharing images and ideas. YouTube is the second most visited website in the world. Correct. YouTube is indeed the second most visited site. Facebook owns Instagram and WhatsApp. Yes, Facebook owns both Instagram and WhatsApp. Twitter was founded in 2005. False. Twitter was founded in 2006. Vine was a popular platform for 6-second videos. Correct! Vine was known for its 6-second videos. TikTok was merged with Musical.ly in 2018. Yes, that's right. TikTok merged with Musical.ly in 2018. Snapchat's logo is a ghost. True, Snapchat's logo is indeed a ghost. Instagram's main feature is sharing long-form articles. False. Instagram is for sharing photos and videos. Reddit is known as the front page of the internet. Correct. Reddit is known as the front page of the internet. LinkedIn was founded by Reid Hoffman. Yes, Reid Hoffman founded LinkedIn. Facebook's initial purpose was to connect college students. Correct. Facebook was initially for college students. Instagram stories disappear after 48 hours. False. Instagram stories disappear after 24 hours. Twitter's original character limit was 140 characters. Yes, that's correct. The original limit was 140 characters. TikTok videos can be up to 10 minutes long. Correct. TikTok videos can be up to 10 minutes long. MySpace was one of the first major social media platforms. True. MySpace was among the first major social media sites. Facebook was founded by Jeff Bezos. False. Facebook was founded by Mark Zuckerberg. YouTube was founded in 2004. False. YouTube was founded in 2005. Instagram introduced the like feature before Facebook. False. Facebook introduced the like feature first. LinkedIn is the largest social media platform in the world. False. Facebook is the largest social media platform. Facebook has more than 2 billion monthly active users. Correct. Facebook has over 2 billion active users monthly. Twitter was originally called Twitter. Yes, Twitter was originally called Twitter. TikTok is owned by a Chinese company called ByteDance. True, ByteDance owns TikTok. Facebook introduced the like button in 2009. Yes, that's correct. Facebook introduced it in 2009. Snapchat's Bitmoji feature allows users to create avatars. Correct. Bitmoji lets users create avatars. Pinterest was launched in 2015. False. Pinterest was launched in 2010. Yes, that's correct. YouTube is owned by Google. LinkedIn allows users to endorse each other's skills. True. LinkedIn has a feature for skill endorsements. Instagram was acquired by Facebook for $1 billion. Yes, Facebook acquired Instagram for $1 billion. The hashtag #Afro was first popularized on Twitter. Correct. Twitter popularized the hashtag. Facebook was the first social media platform to introduce stories. False. Snapchat introduced stories first. Snapchat was the first social media platform to introduce augmented reality filters. Yes, that's correct. Snapchat was the first with AR filters. Facebook changed its parent company's name to Meta in 2021. True. Facebook rebranded its parent company as Meta. Instagram initially launched as a photo-sharing app for Android. False. Instagram launched first on iOS. TikTok was the most downloaded app worldwide in 2020. Correct. TikTok topped the downloads in 2020. LinkedIn was launched before Facebook. Yes, LinkedIn was launched before Facebook. MySpace was once the most visited social media site in the world. True, MySpace was once the most visited. YouTube allows users to create and upload live videos. Yes, that's correct. YouTube supports live video uploads. Reddit is organized into communities called subs. False. They are called subreddits. Twitter allows users to edit their tweets after posting. False. Twitter doesn't allow editing tweets. Instagram Reels are similar to TikTok videos. Yes, that's right. Instagram Reels are similar to TikToks. Snapchat's Discover feature is for viewing content from friends only. False. Discover shows content from publishers and creators. Twitter was the first platform to introduce the concept of followers. True. Twitter introduced the followers concept first. Pinterest boards allow users to save and organize content they find online. Correct. Pinterest boards are for organizing content. TikTok was banned in India in 2020. Yes, that's correct. TikTok was banned in India in 2020. Thanks for playing. How many did you get right? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quizzes.